Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Adidas Manila, Pilipinas! So yun guys, may mga bagong colorway. Adios Pro, Evo SL, Papio, Adidas, Evo SL. Damn! Look at those. Boston 13, Adidas. So yun guys, may mga bagong kulay. Check it out. Boston 13, Adios Pro, blue, pink. Ito. Shit guys, look at those guys. So yun guys, come here at BGC. Ito syempre pinakamalupit dito guys, Evo 2.
Ayan mo, hindi ko kaya bilhin.
So yan, Evo SL, daily trainers. Boston 13, pwede ding daily trainers pero mga tempo, speed. Ito, race day shoes. Yan.
Pang-training mo lang.
Oo, tapos Adios Pro race day shoes din. Of course, Adidas is always win, train for races. Run every day. So, kailangan guys maging versatile. Shoe rotation, kompleto dito. Kita nyo naman mga happy guys. Yeah, boy!